people, now welcome back again. Somebody just asked me wetin you go fit use take cure insomnia. So insomnia na when you no fit dey sleep, sleeplessness. Night go reach like this, to close eye sleep you no go fit sleep. Even though you close your eye, you go open am back again. As you understand, even though you close the eye, you even dey aware of wetin dey happen. As in sleep no dey enter your body. Na dey call insomnia. No sleep, sleeplessness. So wetin you go fit use take cure that sleeplessness wey be say as you enter bed like this, you go sleep, and you know say when you sleep your body go relax, everything. So anything anxiety or stress go comot. So na wetin dey talk, you wan dey sleep well, wetin you go fit use take cure this sleep na be soursop leaf. You dey see am? Though this one na dried one wey I preserve, but fresh one you can use it. You understand? So this one na be soursop leaf. This leaf dey promote wetin dey call am? E dey promote sleep. E get sedative property inside wey be say e dey promote good sleep. E go relax your muscle. E go remove stress for your body. This soursop leaf so we dey call am soursop leaf. The real English na soursop leaf. So anyhow you talk am, this leaf e dey promote good sleep. E get different compounds and properties inside wey be say e fit help our body go promote that good sleep for us. Wetin you just need to do na to get this soursop leaf, wash am, just put am for something. If na small pot, boil am. You understand? Just boil am. Just wetin you just need to dey do na just to dey take half cup every night if you wan sleep. So that you fit sleep that sleep well. Just turn small wetin dey call am, the juice inside cup. Drink am. If you wan store, after you don boil am, if you wan store am for fridge, you get fridge, just pour the juice into container or jar, or jar. Store am for your fridge. Anytime you wan sleep for night, just pour am for cup, half cup, drink am. You see say you go sleep like baby that night. Na this one I say make I tell you wey you ask that question, and for those wey this video go still benefit. You know say you no dey sleep well, get this soursop leaf. Just boil am, put water for pot. Put the soursop, make sure you rinse the leaf before you use am. Put the leaf, boil am. Just dey take the juice. When e don cool down, take am half cup morning, and half cup every night before you sleep. E go do you well. And this one I say make I tell una, make una stay well. Abeg una dey like and share this video so that e go fit reach others and benefit others, and also go be of also good benefit to this channel. Abeg, una bye bye.